Hi, I'm David. I'm an introverted man in my early to mid 40s, and I work with Barbies.
Are you gay?
Today I'll be... Today I'll be unboxing and attempting to restore this 1993 Hollywood hair Barbie. Today I'll be unboxing and attempting to restore this 1993 Hollywood hair Barbie. Am I recording? Yes. As you can see, she's been through some things.
How dare you?
Oh. And so have I. With my restorations, I like to take a gentle approach. There's the front. There's the back. Okay, whoops. So we've made it. We've made it to the unboxing table. Barbie is so glamorous in her two mix and match Hollywood fashions. Cool Hardies for you and Barbie to share. There's stuff in this. Is gross. This is really gross. Oh god. Okay. What is falling out of this thing? What is that? My eyes are watering. This is excellent. This is very, very graceful. Oh my goodness. So here she is in her blister pack. There does appear to be some water damage on the little instruction sheet here. Hollywood hair, be a star maker. That's exciting. What is that? What is that? I don't know what this is, but it's on her hand and it's on her face. It's not good. Oh, stuff is moving. Okay, grab some scissors. Am I even recording? I am. Okay. Are we still straight? No. David, you're trying too hard. I don't know where to start. Let's give these a snip. These a little snip here. There's still stuff falling out of this box. I like it, Daddy. Go ahead and set this stuff up there. Oh my goodness, she's got pink shoes. Oh yay. Oh god, this is so gross. I don't easily get grossed out either, and this is really, we're gonna have to vacuum later. Do you want to come out first? She says yes. Get me the hell out of here. You're almost free, honey. You're almost free. Just hang in there. I'm sorry I touched you there. Let's pull this way. You're free. You're free. She's free. Look at her. Let me put your arm down. There you go. That's better. Your leg's a little bent. That's okay. Let's put you right there and let's get the rest of this stuff out. It's a really crunchy coat. And there's a nice little shirt to go under your coat. Little skirt. Unfortunately, your hair slinky is permanently stretched out. That happens. We've got a stencil. There's our stencil. We have some hair panties, and it's got strings to tie instead of an elastic, which is good. Last but not least, our magic spray. Holy sh**. There is liquid still in there. I can't believe that. Okay, it says non-toxic. Do I want to spray some in my mouth? Yes, I do. Okay. Am I going to? I want to taste this. Oh! You're gonna go over there. Do another little sweep. There we go. So we have unboxed this. I am so tempted to just do this right now. Like, I can't help myself. And I feel like once I give this thing a bath, this hair might not work anymore. See how it smells. It doesn't really have much of a taste. Oh my god, I want to spray it. No longer turns pink. That's okay. All right. There she is. I think it's time to give this incredibly complicated lady a bath to the spa. So Barbie has had her bath and now we're back in our studio. This hair is saran, so there is no way that it's gonna curl, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it anyway.
Atta girl.
This is Barbie and her curlers, brought to you by Thigh Master. So now I am going to pour boiling water over it and let it dry. See if it actually does anything. Hello. As you can tell by my different shirt and my new hat, it's the next day. So today, what we're going to do is unroll Barbie's hair, and then we're going to brush it through, and then we're going to finish this thing.
Well, I don't care!
I did re-roll her hair and put some diluted gel in her hair. I did refresh her clothes and accessories, and how I did that is none of your business. All right, we're gonna turn around and we're gonna see what we can do with her. She's back there. Okay, we've got Barbie propped up here on our studio design styling table. Her hair is in curlers. Her legs are bound. This is when we really get to work. Thanks. All right, let's see. They're better. They're still just slightly twisted to the side. That's okay. Nobody's perfect.
I just have this like really believable way of telling people that they look really good, even though I'm just like, you know.
Something is going on here that she did not mention beforehand. May have been something I did. There we go. That's better. Let's go ahead and start taking his hair down. Oh, hey. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh. Come on, baby Jane.
I wonder if you can guess who I am.
Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. She also didn't tell me about this situation, but it's a situation that I understand myself. Take out the last one here. All right, so we're gonna brush through the curls. This is how you should do it as well. Set yourself up at a higher than normal tabletop level, duct tape a cheap Temu doll stand down to the top of it, and then hope for the best. All right, let's brush it out. Am I recording still? Yes. Okay. At some point during this step, you'll realize that the hair is never going to turn out how you envisioned, and so you kind of just have to do what you can and move on with your life. A little less optimistic than before. I'm to that point now. So I'm going to do what I can, and I'll be back with a final look. That's it. And here she is. I don't want to overstate, but I've changed your life. You're welcome. Oh boy, that was really fun. There's only one thing left to do. No. Dance. Hi, I'm in my room. I need you to come help me get up. No, I was dancing and I did too much. The door's locked, so you're gonna have to get a butter knife to get in here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.